Are you frustrated because Adobe Acrobat Reader DC won't open? Here's how to fix it in just a few steps. First, let's update your Acrobat Reader. Go to Help, then click Check for Updates. No luck? Try repairing the installation. Head over to the Control Panel, select Programs, then Programs and Features. Find Adobe Acrobat and click Change. In the Setup dialog, select Repair. Still stuck? Disable Protected Mode, go to Edit, Preferences, then Security, Enhanced, and uncheck Enable Protected Mode at Startup. If that fails, right-click the Acrobat icon, select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as an administrator. Try running Acrobat in compatibility mode by selecting a Windows version from the drop-down menu in the Compatibility tab. Refresh your license files by going to Help, then Manage Licenses, and select Refresh. Lastly, if all else fails, uninstall and reinstall the program. You can also try using the Adobe Cleaner tool. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll be back to reading PDFs in no time.